In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change font styles here in Canva. Now, when it comes to fonts, Canva has hundreds of different fonts and lots of different styles. Now, once you have your text on the canvas like this, we simply want to click onto that text, come up to here where it displays the font name, and if we click on here, we have lots of different fonts to choose from. Now, to choose between different styles, we want to look right here. So there's handwriting, corporate, display, headings, and as we can see, there's many more. Now, what we can do is click on one of these styles. Let's go with bold, and now we have all of the bold fonts right here. And if we want to choose one of them, we simply want to click on that, and now the font has been changed. Now, if we look over here at the fonts, some of them have a little crown icon next to them, which means that that is a Canva Pro feature. Now, if we come up here and click on Show Filters, we can actually filter through different languages just here, or the free and pro different fonts. So let's click on free, let's click apply, and now all of these bold fonts just here are completely free. So if I click on there, we can then use it. Let's choose a different one. Let's go with headings. All of these are still free because we have this filter on just here, and then we can choose one. So that's just how easy it is to change font styles here in Canva. Now, if you want to know how to upload your own fonts, then click right here and watch this video.